Hi, I'm Chris. Today I'm going to be fitting one of these deadbolts. So let me show you. I'm planning on putting it just here on the side of the door, straight in just there. So I've marked it out, and there's to be like a deadlock on the inside of the van. So let's come back in a bit and see how it goes. Right, as you can see, I've made a dent just here, and top and bottom. I've drilled it out, so that's slotted nicely. All I need to do now is drill this hole here, and these two here. And I'm going to rivet it into place. Right, here we go with the 8mm. Need to get up to the 8 for the looks quite nice and neat. That should do. Right, now the hole's done, I want to put one of these little grommets in. Let's get this put in. Right, that will do. It does come with one of these, but I don't want a big massive thing just there. I've had it a little bit more discreet so it's less obvious that it's a lock. All I need to do now is drill a hole in this side of the door for that to go into. Obviously I have to rivet it first, and that side will be done. Right, I've done one rivet. Now for the next one. Push that in there, and then put it in. That's how hard it is to do a rivet one-handed. Test your muscle power. Done. Absolutely solid. That key again, which I've now lost. Lose opening. Oh, 1 minute. Here we go. Got the key. Tell the truth. Aha. How smooth that is. Straight in. Nice and smooth. Splendid. Right, I've now drilled the hole there, lined it all up, marked it and drilled it. Now let's give it a go. Here's that lock, and the key's in. So just close it, reach over, just turn it, it's locked. Let's try that out. It opens and it's locked. Perfect. And look it again. Just reach over here. I'll get in the van and show you. So that's what I'm doing again. Just get in the van and I'll show you what it looks like on the inside. There it is. Quite tight up. When it's out, it just looks like that. I've done it black actually to match this. I could always change that with it. Grommet out, slot straight in, turn 3 times, take out, and the door's locked. And just slot it back in, turn 3 times. Now it disengage them, the door's already open. There you go. Splendid. Another thing I've done for extra security in here, which I see quite a lot on YouTube, is drill a hole into the runner rail up here. All this is simple as you just drill the hole into that main rail where the track system is. Put a quick lock on it. Easy as that, that's locked into there. Obviously no, I didn't lock it, but you get the idea. And then the van, when you try opening it, the bar rail just runs into it. And obviously you can't open your door. Use a bit of a gap like that, but no one's getting through there. So when you're inside the van, a bit of security at night time, you can put this on. It's one way, and I've also done one outside. Just take this out, I'll show you the one outside. One outside I've also done, if you see the whole time on YouTube again, here's this little one here, that one there. Yes, just checking I've got the keys on me. Good idea. Yeah, so that's in there. So when you open the van, just to there, it does open quite a lot. But again, you can get your fish through, heavy arm. You're not going to get too far into there. And that's it. So, all done. Right, and that's about it then. So, got a few ideas for some locks for you. And if you find them useful or interesting at least, then please leave a thumbs up. And I'll see you again soon.